Imagine a home so small it fits anywhere, yet so smart it feels bigger than most city apartments. That's exactly what the 2026 camper is all about. And today, you're about to discover why this little machine is breaking the internet and turning everyday travel into luxury adventure. So stick with me till the end, because what you're about to see will seriously change the way you think about camping forever. The moment you walk up to the 2026 camper, you already realize this is not some ordinary weekend trailer. Its futuristic aerodynamic shell, bold LED light bar, and smooth metallic finish make it look like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the magic truly begins when you step inside. The designers didn't waste a single inch. Every corner, every panel, every fold has a purpose. As the door slides open, you're welcomed by warm ambient lighting and a micro-luxury interior that feels more like a tiny penthouse on wheels. The first thing that grabs your attention is the smart, transformable living space. With just a touch, the sofa lifts, rotates, and smoothly turns into a full sleeping area. And this isn't the stiff, uncomfortable bed you find in typical campers. This one is memory foam, temperature adaptive, and unbelievably cozy. Right across from it, an ultra-compact kitchen impresses you with a two-burner induction cooktop, a hidden sink, and storage compartments that seem to appear out of thin air. It even has a mini smart fridge that automatically regulates temperature depending on what you put inside. Imagine that. Your drinks stay ice cold while your fruit stays just right, all without you touching a single button. But here's where things get even crazier. The 2026 camper comes equipped with a fully digital control wall, lighting, temperature, ventilation, battery levels, even window tint. Everything is managed through a sleek touchscreen or your voice. You can literally say night mode, and the lights dim, shades drop, fans adjust, and the whole interior transforms into a relaxing nighttime sanctuary. Now, let's talk about the bathroom, because this tiny camper shockingly has a full setup. A compact shower with a rainfall head, a fold-away sink, and a water-saving smart toilet. And yes, the shower actually feels spacious thanks to expanding panels that open like origami when you step in and fold back when you step out. It's pure design genius, and it gets better. The 2026 camper runs on a hybrid solar power system. The roof is covered with high-efficiency solar tiles, giving you hours of off-grid energy. Plus, the built-in battery bank means you can camp in remote areas without worrying about power. Before you think that's all, nope. The exterior even includes a retractable awning, outdoor speakers, and a clever fold-out workstation for remote workers or content creators. The 2026 camper isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom, comfort, smart living, and adventure wrapped into one compact masterpiece. And honestly, once you experience this, traditional camping will feel like something from the past. So tell me in the comments, would you take this camper on a mountain trip, a beach escape, or a cross-country journey?